Something to be happy about this morning is the fact that we're not dealing with as dense fog out there, so drive time should be good to go as far as the weather's concerned with. We have some very patchy fog, more so down to the south and east near the Ohio River borderline in West Virginia there, down near Athens. You can see less than a mile visibility in some pockets, but mainly for those fog-prone areas. Otherwise, most of us just waking up to a gorgeous morning sunrise here in just about a minute 30 seconds for us. It's going to stay sunny and muggy through the morning, hot and humid during the afternoon, and then storms rolling in mainly from 6 to 10 p.m., some of which may be strong to severe. And then by nighttime, things should be all right for us. And then as we wake up this morning, you know, we're looking at beautiful skies to start, but things will be changing quickly as we head into this evening. And not only that, it's going to be a hot one. We don't have any weather alerts active in our area, but just down to the south and west in the tri-state area, we are looking at heat advisories. So just because we're not dealing with an alert as far as the heat, it's still going to be pretty hot out for us. Already at 72 this morning, probably not going to drop much further than that. 68 in Newark, 68 up in Delaware, 68 in Lancaster. Things climbing quickly today with our temperatures, especially with how they feel. Looking at temperatures going into this afternoon, our highs will be near 90, but when you factor in those dew points around 70, that's going to make things feel like they're in the upper 90s, near 100 degrees through a good chunk of the afternoon and evening. Things staying dry on satellite and radar, but given the ingredients that are going to be in place, we're going to see this boundary, which looks pretty weak right now, begin to move through northwestern Ohio later this afternoon, starting to fire up some storms. The radar should be getting a little more active throughout the evening, but as we see hour by hour, we'll show you just when that occurs. Again, things pretty quiet to start the day. Winds will be picking up out of the southwest. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds, and then by the time we head into 3 o'clock, still looking at dry conditions out there. Even as we go into the early evening hours at 6 o'clock, it's looking like things will be quiet to start, but then quickly picking up with these showers and storms within the span of about an hour. Here we are at 8 p.m. You can see showers and storms west of I-71. Could have a few isolated showers or storms develop ahead of this line, but again, we are going to be looking at mainly some storms moving through between 6, 10 p.m. This particular model not showing anything really moving through the Columbus area until 9 o'clock. I wouldn't be surprised if it would be a little bit earlier, so around the 8 p.m. time frame, but still dealing with those showers and storms in southeastern Ohio in the early part of the night at around 11 o'clock, and then things clearing out by around midnight, still dealing with a few lingering storms perhaps in Morgan County down near Piketon, but then after that things clearing out quickly for us as we head into the day. Again, we have that slight risk for us, so again we have a few short-lived strong storms possible. Our main concern will be that of some damaging wind gusts and also the potential for some isolated large hail, a few quick spin-ups here and there. Otherwise, again, tonight things will be clearing out. We'll fall to around 70 degrees, and then tomorrow, still warm out. We're not really going to be catching much of a break for us. We're going to be looking at the potential for highs into the mid to upper 80s, and it looks like we're going to continue to see those temperatures stay in the 90s as we head into the end of the week, back in the low 90s over the course of the weekend with some daily pop-up showers and storms through the afternoon. That looks to linger into the start of the work week and then staying pretty unsettled as we head towards the end of your 10-day forecast.